Hello, I'm Larry Phillips of Bright Star Tutors, and the purpose of this clip is to show this technology we now have for doing tutoring over the internet. I've been involved with tutoring for several years, and we've always been limited to being able to help students who were within driving range of one of our tutors. But now the student could be anywhere, and as you'll see, the experience for the student is just about the same as if the tutor were sitting there beside them. The key to this is this device. It's a digital writing pad. It has a stylus. It plugs into the USB port on the computer, and both the student and the tutor have one of these. And as I'll show you in a moment, we have a way to create a sort of digital whiteboard over the internet where both the tutor and the student can see what each other is writing. At the same time, of course, they'll also be talking back and forth. So I'm going to switch now to a view of the screen itself so that you can see how this works. So here I'm writing on the whiteboard. It's just a window in a web browser. There's no special software required. Now I have a student on the other end who's going to respond to what we're talking about. Notice that what they write shows up in a different color. Now, it's very useful to be able to do this kind of freehand writing. Just as another example of what we can do, I'll just sketch the equation that we're working from up above, and so the student can see where the two solutions of this equation come from. I'll draw this in like so. Now, frequently we also need to work from the student's classroom material. I'm going to switch to another page now, and this is actually a homework page that the student has uploaded in advance. Could have been scanned in this case it was actually a photograph made from a cell phone camera and then uploaded. So again, we're both looking at the same thing, and as we're talking about it, we can make marks on this like so and so forth. Now, when the session is done, the student would probably end by doing what I'm going to do now, which is we could go and make a copy of the session on paper. We can print it out so that we'll be able to go back and look over the material later to reinforce what was learned during the session. So that's the basics of how this works. You can find out more by going to the website that's on the screen. Thanks for watching.